what's the next of Stellar, and Stellar in upcoming days, Stellar move up or fails down. Absolutely, what's my prediction, my friend, and also what's my opinion. Upcoming days they fails down, buy, sell, hold. Okay, everything in this video is going very special. And what's the target of Stellar? Let's get started the video. But before I get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new on our channel. Most welcome, my brother. This channel provide you very latest updates of all cryptocurrency. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, my friend. In the last 7 days, the chain occurred minus 25.94% fails down, very badly fails down, my friend. And here, if you can see here, the price chain occur at 0.63843 USD dollar. So this is the price, my friend. You can see here the latest price is very, my friend, badly fails down. But let's see here as a good price, my friend. You can see here they completely fails down. Here as a no big jump, my friend, but resistance line that's here, my friend. They cannot cross it, my friend. Very badly fails down, especially if you can see here. So here, if you can see here, the biggest dump, my friend, as to 0.40 US dollar, 0.40, 0.6 to 0.4. The price is come down. So very bad fall, my friend. If you can see here, after a fails, they take a jump small. Later, you can see here every cryptocurrency moving like this, absolutely. And after this fails, they're starting moving up. So exactly, my friend. In upcoming days, they're going up. This is my prediction to upcoming days. They're going up, and I think this time also the result as of the last 1 hour as a positive, my friend. Let's see the last 1 hour charts to what's going on. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. My friend, if you could see here, they are completely jump, and after a fails, they starting moving off like a rocket. See exactly, my friends, they gone, and the moon, we are ready for the moon. Stellar holder, please don't sell it, hold it, because in upcoming time they're going up like a rocket. So exactly, this is good time to you buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.